All right, what's up, folks? Project 392 here. What I've got is the Zl1 add-on deluxe rock guards. First, I'm gonna take a few seconds to talk about these things and why I chose these over, some of the competitors. First is, they have a thickness to them and they're flexible. That was mentioned by honestlyOCD as well. I'm gonna try to put a link to his video on these rock guards in the description if you haven't already seen it. The next thing that wanted me to choose them is these little countersinks here that they did. Now, I really like how they did this. Even on the thinner ones, I've had thinner ones on other vehicles, and the pops never go all the way in. And honestly, OCD was having the same kind of issue, and that's something that drove him towards these rock guards as well. So they're on every part, and it's countersunk. Hope you can see that there. Countersunk, so these pop rivets here will actually go all the way through and push all the way in and hold this. Now it has 3M tape on the back of it, which is a good thing. If I can get the camera here, as you can see, I've cleaned this. I just washed the car, and this right here was cleaned with rubbing alcohol. All the rock chips that's on this is just crazy, and it just further, solidifies of why you need to get a set of these rock guards. That's why I'm getting a set of these rock guards. So this thing right here can take the beating rather than my car. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I've got my handy dandy pry tools here. I'm gonna get in and get behind. Just kind of work these, get them started. Now this thing's gonna connect with these three, and then there's one up here towards the top that it's going to connect to. That one. But we may have to remove this little pop right here to get our hand back behind to make sure these seat all the way well. I usually have pretty good luck getting them to seat up, so I don't know if I'm going to have to do that. If you've watched Honestly OCD's video, he's pretty detailed on how to install these. What you want to do for this 3M tape is I'm going to get it started here towards the top. You just peel. Let's see, I get something that I can get in here with it. Get up under the edge, peel it, and I'm going to get down past that. And I actually had to cut this hole out here. It was actually taped over the top. Get that. Then go here to the bottom side. Same thing. Just kind of get it started. I always put these through the hole first, then put them in here. First one popped in. It's got it. I'm not gonna have to take this other clip off here. And I'm gonna rotate it up, put the clip through the rock guard first. Well, just messed myself up. That happens. Just pop it back here. Through the rock guard first, and through the hole. Get it all the way down. Push it in. Get this thing back. Pulled out. Let's see, make sure. Actually, the three that go down here are fatter. So push up against it, get it all the way in, seated, push it. Then we'll move on to the one up top here. Get it lined up, push it in, get it pushed in. Then all we have to do, make sure we're lined up. Everything's looking pretty good. Then we'll just start pulling our tape here. We're gonna pull it at a downward angle. Go ahead and start pressing downward so it'll peel good. Get it off in one good piece, and then I'm gonna start pushing from where I left off and just roll down. Man, these things look nice. I like how it forms straight in with the fender up here. Just kind of disappears and tucks in. Barely sticks down over the bottom, just enough to give you the protection that you need. All right, so here on the back ones, it's gonna be fairly simple. There's 2 clips only. The one that's gonna be right down here. I hope you can see this. And then the one that's right up here. And then it's gonna just kind of snake and tuck in back here. Just like the front, I've already cleaned this when I washed the car, and I just wiped it down real good with isopropyl alcohol. It does have the 3M tape on the back here. And she's gonna fit right up in here like that. All right, so let's get started with these 2 clips. Those 2 out. Check them there. They're the same. Go ahead and get my 3M tape here started. Let's see, I believe I'm gonna start it to this side since it's a little closer. This right here is kind of the opposite. All right. Then, like I said, put it into the rock guard first. Slide it in, push clip, rotate her around into the rock guard first, get it in, push clip in. They're pushed all the way down. It snakes right around in underneath. It goes right underneath this clip. Then just pull it first off. Make sure it's all the way on there. The second one here. Make sure it gets all the way on there. Alright. Clips is pushed all the way down. Rides all the way up to right here. Hope you can see in there to the 3M tape. Everything's seated down. Comes down just under, just outside the rears, just enough to keep it from kicking up stuff onto your bumper here. Nice aggressive look. All right, folks, that was just another video here from the garage, the Zl1 add-on deluxe rock guards. Love them. They look great. If you have any suggestions or comments, things that I might have should have did different or whatever, you can leave it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks everybody for watching.